Alright, welcome back. This is building the horns and the rear quarters on my rocker. So you can see all the rust on the passenger side horn here. I built a new piece. I really am excited with how this piece came out. It looks really good. And I think it looks really good. You know, I put a new piece, you can see it shiny back in there through all this rust. There's my piece welded in. Wow. I cannot weld, but I had to add a piece here because it was so rusted out, and then I welded this all in and burned it all up, and it looks kind of terrible until you take and figure I'm not a welder. I'm a grinder. So I grinded all of it off, made it a lot prettier, a lot shinier. The horn is going to be just fine. Yeah, it's pits in it, but I'm going to throw rocks at it and stuff the rest of its life and destroy it anyway. A little bit of primer from 50 feet away. This thing looks amazing. Now that I got the passenger side done, I went over and I started on the driver's side that looks just as bad as the passenger. But I figured I got this brand new rocker in. I'm super excited how it came, but I got to tie this new piece back here because it was so rusted on the inside there. So I built that piece, and I built a couple other things. I got to build that one there, switch it out, and then I got to figure out how to build this horn like I did on the passenger side. Everything I did, I started on the passenger because I don't care about the passenger. I look at the driver. This piece here, the rocker, has got to be moved for the fender. I got to push it in, and I got to push it up so that the fender can hook around it right there. So you see, like, that fender line's got to come down. So here's magic. Hours of my time and seconds turns into a pretty little shiny piece. So I got it all welded up there to the new piece, then my bottom piece, and then I built this piece. It's multiple pieces all just welded together. And a nice, beautiful pattern. My little Vanna White hand there showing you, look how sexy this is. Welds here and here. Anyway, so I bumped this up like I thought. This took forever to do right here. I took the fender on and off, I don't know, 5 billion times. And I don't have any friends, it seems, so I did it all by myself. Checking the fender, taking it on and off, on and off, on and off. And I got it to look half decent. Everything's all popped up where it should go, ground where it should go, welded where it should go, and I'm getting lots of welding practice and lots of grinding practice. A lot of grinding. Then I took and put it in some paint and primer to help stop it from rusting because I don't have a shop. It just sits in my backyard. I think it looks really good. Now you got these back panels where I had to cut to get into those. So my son and I made these, and look at it. It looks half decent. So it's time to take and cut and weld and grind and grind and grind. So cut and weld we did. There it is. You can see it goes in there pretty good. I left it long so I can cut it off, but I filled in most of this area here. And you know, they make Bondo for this reason right here. I'm going to have a lot of Bondo in there. I try to beat it with a hammer, but you know that Bondo is good for 2 inches, right? Then I did the driver's side, and with the passenger side first done, guess what? It looks way better. I worked a lot better, made the piece a little better. Left it long again, but it looks good. I blacked it out just because, well, it rains, it gets wet. You know, it's going to be something you don't want to rust up on you. So there you go. It's looking really good to me. The panels are all in. Yes, I built it all by hand. Super excited. My skills get better and better. Bondo is my friend. So I got the driver's sides all done, and just to show you, I blacked out the passenger side as well. And yes, I had to replace that entire rocker because when I ordered it, they gave me a free one. So why not get them all done? So next time we'll start working on the other stuff.